I also cleaned my tank. It was kind of dirty. It was gray and slimy on the side, so I took a towel and cleaned it up. Also, this is the one, all the couplings and stuff, and I cleaned it so it's nice and clean. And oh my god, I bought some filters for it. It's pills which I can put in the tank to clean it. I will do that now, and also when I fill it up I will put one of these to purify the water. I don't think this will be necessary. This is for when I'm going out to maybe Denmark or somewhere very bad water over there. And I bought this. It's a filter which I will be putting between the tank and my crane. Yeah, crane. I don't know what to call it. And you know, the little kid is alright. It will mean I will survive. And I took this filter. It's a what the, did I take the wrong filter? Blue one? Did I take the wrong one? I think I took the wrong one. No, it's a carbon filter. Yes, it's what I wanted. Active carbon removes bad smell, taste, purifies the water from heavy metals and lead. So that's the one I'm going with. Maybe it won't do anything, but it's something. And I will primarily not to drink the water in the tank. I will have you know, bottles and stuff. So yeah, that's what's going on. Hello everybody, this is Sailor Boy number 1. It has been very stressful days for me. I have painted my keel. It was very rusty, and I've done lots of stuff. I can't remember them now, but I had like a week of continuously working on the boat to get it in the water. And yeah, now I'm here, so I have a lot of cleaning to do. I have to change the oil and the filters and the impeller, which I did last year, and I have barely even touched it, so maybe I don't have to, but I will do it anyway. Yes. So the boat is a mess now. Very, you know, lots of stuff, and I gotta organize, and you know, it's not so fun. Well, it's kind of fun. So I'm inventorying stuff, what I need, what I don't need. And also I crashed into the dock when I came. So I had to epoxy a little bit. So not so many boats out. I'm like alone. It's kind of early. I guess this is May 13th. This is what I used. on the damaged thing, so I gotta fill my water tank and put a water cleaner tablet so I can drink the water, and then I'm gonna pump out everything. It's a big tank, so it's gonna take time, and then I will put another tablet. It's like so the water doesn't get bad, I think. And yeah, that's it. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I hope I will make it. There we go. Now I filled up the water tank, and I thought like, yeah, I buy these tablets because it will only be one tablet or maybe two. Hell no. There were like for every 4 liter you should have one tablet and have a 90-liter tank. So it took almost 2/3, but it's better than nothing, I guess. I was a little bit shocked anyway. A lot of noodles. That's what I'm gonna live on now. So next is purify my drinking water. So I will have that for 12 hours, and then I will flush the tank and I will put these in. So these are 18. I guess these are as big. No, this smaller. That's good. So 18 of these inside the tank, and then I can drink the water. At the moment I'm drinking from that one. Also I have this one, which my mom gave me. She's a really nice lady, sometimes not so nice. And when you have to bring your own water like this, you really understand how much water you drink. You drink a lot of water. I'm so used to using the crane, you know. The crane. Yes. So I guess I clean a little bit more. See you later, alligator. The sun is nice. So everything is stored away out here. It's not done. It's just that I can organize a little bit. And I have a dilemma. I mean, my boat interior is like, I have a bunk here, loads of stuff, bunk here, loads of stuff, and I have the kitchen on the side, and there is a table and a U-shaped couch, but you can make 2 beds. And I like to sleep here because, well, I'm not tall, I'm kind of short, but anyway, it's nice to have space, and I like to, you know, yeah, move around a bit, not so cramped. So I like this. But then again, if I have a bed here, it's not so convenient, because when I'm supposed to eat, I have to sit here and eat and use this stuff. And well, I have a table I can put out here, but I mean, and when I have to work with the computer and stuff, and I have to lay down and do it, and it feels not so good. So I don't know if I should take it away and maybe sleep here, take away all this. The peak is very cramped and I don't like to sleep there at all. Also, it's a good storage space, so I can put everything in there instead. And this is very short, Must be for children or something. So I don't think that's an option. I don't know. I don't know. Ha! I did actually fit here. So that's nice. This will be my new bed. And I'm storing, because I have lots of storage space, so I'm storing away like bulk items. Don't need 1,000 cleaning things, just store them away. And I'm organizing. It's a lot of organizing. It's like playing Tetris a bit, but we will see how it will be. Almost a rhyme. Okay, now we're talking. And here I have a place to work, computers and eat and stuff. I think this will be better, even if it was nice to have a wide bed, but it is what it is. So very calm and nice weather here. Not much people. I will make some pancakes. It's a bottle floating in the... I should be fishing. I can't fish here, I have no fishing license. I gotta go out to the sea to do that. And I have no sails. No sails on. The boom is actually there on the ground, on the floor. Yeah, I think this is nice. The kitchen is a mess. I bought a you know, to have dishes in, so when I have dishes I take that and I go to the kitchen we have here. It's somewhere around there, and I do the dishes, but I won't be needing that later on, so I don't know what to do with it. We'll see. We will see. Good morning. Today I emptied out my water tank. I had you know, the stuff inside. It was 90 liters, so I stood here for like half an hour and pumping. Was not so fun. And now I will fill it up again, and it's good to go. Today it's not as sunny, but it should be as warm as yesterday. I have some things to take care of. I have to get a vad fan heter det? I have to move some stuff where I had a boat, or else they will find me, but I have nowhere to put it, so I will try some stuff. We will see. I'm gonna throw this away and brush my teeth, because I have no water in the elbow. I don't like filming when people see me. I think it's really awkward. So there's the house. I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna brush my teeth. Okay, we are done with the bathroomish things. So now let's go to the stuff. So here is the slab shower now. I don't know the English word, but I'm gonna rent one of these in there. So BRB. Now we have it. It's there, and we're going to El boatyard to find if I have stuff there. Yes. Si, senor. Also, I gotta clean my car because I'm gonna store it. But I'll pay someone to do that because I ain't. Sailor